Good morning, all. Today I'm going to continue the session of beginning with C++. As I already explained the details and with an example, in that here COUT in double quote C++ is a programming language that causes the string in quotation marks to be displayed on the screen. അതായത് ഡബിൾ കോഡ്സിനുള്ളൊരു മെസ്സേജ് കൊടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതാണ് സ്ക്രീനിൽ ഡിസ്പ്ലേ ആയിട്ട് കാണിക്കുക. Then the identifier COUT, pronounced as Cout, is a predefined object. അതായത് COUT-നെ പ്രൊനൗൺസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് Cout എന്നാണ്. That represents the standard output stream in C++. The standard output stream represents the screen. It is also possible to redirect the output to other output devices. Then the operator double quote-ന്റെ ഫ്രണ്ടിലുള്ള ഓപ്പറേറ്ററിനെ പറയുന്നത് ഇൻസേർഷൻ ഓർ പുട്ട് ഓപ്പറേറ്റർ എന്നാണ്. ദെൻ IO stream file means hash include IO stream. Hash include directly instruct the compiler, which means the software which converts your program into an exe and also checks for any mistakes or errors in your code. Include the contents of the file enclosed within angular brackets into the source file. The header file IO stream should be included at the beginning of program that use input or output statement, that is to print or read from keyboard. And in C++, main function returns an integer value to the operating system. Therefore, every main function in C++ should end with a return statement. Otherwise, a warning error might occur. Since main function returns an integer type for main function is explicitly specified as int. And note that semicolon is used to indicate the end of the statement. Then return 0. This statement is the exit status of the program. Next, programming basics. As I already explained the compiler interpreter. What is compiler and interpreter? If you write a program using your favorite programming language, for example C or C++, Python, like that, and save it in a text file called the program file. Now let us try to get a little more detail on how the computer understands a program written by you using a programming language. Actually, the computer cannot understand your program directly given in the text format. So we need to convert this program in a binary format which can be understood by the computer. So the conversion from text program to binary file is done by another software which is called compiler. And this process of conversion from text formatted program to binary format file is called program compilation. And finally, you can execute binary file to perform the program task. Compilers are required in case you are going to write your program in a programming language that needs to be compiled into binary format before its execution. There are other programming languages such as Python, PHP, Perl, which do not need any compilation into binary format. Rather, an interpreter can be used to read such programs line by line and execute them directly without any further conversion. അതായത് PHP, പൈത്തൺ, പേൾ പോലത്തെ ലാംഗ്വേജ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പം കമ്പൈലേഷൻ്റെ ആവശ്യമില്ല. അതിന് പകരം അത് ഇൻ്റർപ്രറ്ററാണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സപ്പോസ് നിങ്ങൾ C++ ലാംഗ്വേജ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യേണ്ട ഒരു പ്രോഗ്രാം ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിന് നമ്മൾ കമ്പൈലർ യൂസ് ചെയ്യും. പ്രോഗ്രാമിനെ ബൈനറി ഫോമാറ്റിലേക്ക് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഈ കമ്പൈലർ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് ടോക്കൻസ്. Tokens act as building block of a program, which means in C++ it referred to as a smallest individual units in a program. For example, just like a living cell is the smallest possible unit of life. And another examples of this is keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, operators. Keywords means reserved keyword which has a predefined purpose. For example, int, float, character, if, else, etc. And C++ allow the identifier program to assign names of its own choice to variables, arrays, functions, structures, classes, and various other data structures. The programmer may use the mixture of different types of character set available in C++ to name an identifier. Identifier refers to name of variables, functions, arrays, classes, etc. The rules are first character means the first character of the identifier in C++ should positively begin with either an alphabet or an underscore. And no special character. C++ does not encourage the use of special characters while naming an identifier. And no keywords. Using keywords as identifier in C++ is strictly forbidden. And no white space, and also no case sensitive. In C++, uppercase and lowercase characters cannot differ meaning. And next is constants. As the name itself suggests, constants are referred to a fixed value that cannot change their value during the entire program run as soon as we define them. The syntax are const data type, variable name equal to value. Types of constant in C++, integer constant, floating constant. For example, in integer constant, this constant store value of the int data type, and in floating constant, this constant store the value of float data type. Integer constants example, const int data equal to 5, and in floating constant, instead of int they use float. For example, const float equal to 2.7. And next is strings. A group of characters are called strings. For example, India is a string and I is a character of string India. And next is operators. Operators are tools or symbols which are used to perform a specific operation on data. Operations are performed on operands. Operators cannot be classified into three broad categories according to the number of operands, unary, binary, like that. First of all, arithmetic operators. Here, operator plus description is for addition purpose, and minus is subtraction, and star means multiplication, and for division. Next is mod means modulus operation or remainder operator. And logical operators are logical and, logical or, and logical not. And relation operators, the operator less than, or less than, checking less than. And the next operator is greater than, and next is less than and equal to. And the next one is greater than and equal to. And double equal to means comparing. And next is not equal to. These are the relational operators. Thank you.